Here you go. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you your very own and ours as well, Reverend Father Roy Joseph. ഈശോ മിശിഹായ്ക്ക് സ്തുതിയായിരിക്കട്ടെ. Very good, thank you. Okay, we will have the celebration of the Holy Eucharist soon. Before that, we will explain what it is. Do you love your dad and mom? Yeah. Is no? Yeah. How much? Then my question: how do you express that love for your dad and mom? You hug them. Then
you help them.
Sometimes you fight with your brother or with your sister. How do you express that you have something against them? How do you express it? You don't talk to them for some time, is it not? Then how do you express your love for your dad and mom? By talking to them. If you don't talk to them, they will ask you, what happened? Is it not? Then you can show your love for your dad and mom, express it through your speech. How you talk to them. Dad, I love you. Mom, you know how much I love you. You know, once I was listening to the confession of some of you, and I asked one of the little boys, I don't know who he is. If I see his face, I can recognize him. I asked him, do you love Jesus? He told me yes. Then I asked him, how do you love? You know, I love him with all my heart. I know that you love your dad and mom with all your heart. You express that love through your words. Love is expressed through our dialogue, through our speech, talking to the person whom we love. Do you love God? How do you express your love for Him? What's prayer then? Only talking? Without talking, can you pray? How do you express? How do you pray without talking? In your mind? How? It is true that talking to God is prayer. Even without talking, you can pray. I will explain what prayer is. Do you know, when mom or dad is not at home, you are very disturbed, is it not?